When building automations in PowerScripts, having the right reference material is key to helping you create efficient and accurate code. SIL Manager provides direct access to a comprehensive documentation suite to help you navigate functions, variables, and syntax. To begin, go to SIL Manager and click the SIL Help icon on the right side to open the SIL Help panel. This panel provides links to the detailed online documentation in a new browser tab. The PowerScripts Cloud Docs link takes you to the main PowerScripts Cloud Get Started page, while the Scripting and Routines reference links take you to the sections that provide information and examples for the different variables and functions available to you. One of the most helpful sections is the Standard Variables reference. This section lists the predefined variables you can use in SIL. For each one, you'll find any aliases, the variable type, like a string or integer, whether it's read-only, and a brief explanation of its purpose. Let's use the example of creating a script to automatically change the due date to 5 days from the current date. First, we review the reference page and find the variable that matches our needs. We see that there is a variable called dueDate. It has an alias due that we can use instead of due date each time. We see that it is a date type and not a read-only variable, so it can be used to write to a field. As we've covered previously, by using this variable along with an interval, we can create a script that can perform a task, like setting a work issue's due date. For more advanced logic, the functions library provides a detailed breakdown of the different built-in functions. Each function has a page that shows the function name, a description, any parameters, and if those parameters are required or optional, the return type, and an example containing sample code that shows how to use the function. A great feature is that you can copy some examples directly from the documentation and paste them into your editor. Other examples will require providing parameters to fit your unique requirements. Let's look at a function we've seen before, runnerLog. As we can see on the functions page, runnerLog puts the message on the console of a runner gadget or SIL Manager. It has a number of optional parameters and an example. If we copy the example and paste it into the SIL Manager, check it, and run it, the example function returns the username message in the editor console. To recap, the variable and function documentation is a valuable resource. Leveraging these resources allows you to build robust, reliable scripts that scale with your Jira Cloud environment.